Good morning. This is Allan Burgos from #WalkWithLan. We will be learning today is a looping statement. This is the do while statement. Okay, so what you can see on the screen right now is a Microsoft Excel. So we will go to the developer tab. Okay, yeah, we will be clicking the developer tab. Okay, and then we will be going to the Visual Basic. As you can see, there is a shortcut key here that is Alt F11, but you can click the Visual Basic button here, and it will appear the Visual Basic for Applications, Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this one. All right, so we will be going to the module again. All right, click Insert and click on Module. Okay, this is the Module tab. All right, so okay, now we will be typing sub do while, all right, loop one. Okay, because I have a series of looping statements or two statements for that matter for us to compare. Okay, and then it will automatically enter the end sub there. All right, now, okay, we will be declaring the variable. Okay, let's use the letter B, dim B as integer. Okay, the data type is an integer. Okay, not interior. Integer. Okay, dim as integer, and then we will be using the variable B. All right, and then we will be using the assignment operator, and then the starting point is number 1. Okay, so this number can vary. It depends on the user. It depends on the programmer rather. Okay, so it will be vary. So meaning to say, what does this line do is assigning this value 1 to letter B. So if I will be asking you what's the value of letter B, that would be 1. Okay, now we will be using the do while loop. Do while, okay, letter B less than 20. So meaning to say we will be comparing. We will be comparing 1 to 20. So for example, is the value of B is less than 20. What's the value of, the question is, what's the value of B? What's the value of variable B? Of course, the current value of variable B right now is number 1. Is number 1 less than 20? If it's yes, it will do the task inside of the do while. Okay. Now, what I want to do right now is cells, all right, enclosed with open, close, and open and close parentheses. Okay. Now, the format of cells is what do you call that? The format of cells is row column. No? So row column. So I use letter B. No, sorry, not I. Letter B. No, as a variable, meaning to say, what's the value of letter B? The value of letter B right now is 1. Okay, 1. All right. So 1, 1. So meaning to say, row column, first row column 1. Row 1, column 1. Okay, so something like that. Right now, is equal to, okay, what's the value? All right, number, and then, okay, we will be using the concatenation that we learned in the past training. All right, and then that's letter B. Okay, so meaning to say, the value of that, without running this program, you can be able to read the program. Right now, the value of this, it will go to cells row 1, column 1, and that particular cell, the value would be number 1. Okay, because the value of letter B is number 1 at this moment. Okay, at this moment. All right. Now, okay, the secret of looping is for you to move, okay, increment or decrement, at least move one step, no? One step, or it depends on you how would you manipulate it. For instance, I would like to increment it by 1. Okay? So meaning to say, we will be using the variable letter B is equal to B plus 1. Okay? Meaning to say, okay, the value of letter B is, which is 1 plus 1, that would be equal to 2, right? 2 will be transferred or will be assigned to letter B. Okay? So after that, what would happen is loop I will be using the loop. Okay, do a loop. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so we are done on that. We are done. Okay, now, so let's analyze this. Let's analyze this for the sake of of, of this demonstration. Let's analyze it. Okay. For a while. Okay, there you are. Sorry. So that we can use. There you are. All right, now. Let me. Okay. There you are. All right. Okay. There you are. All right. Now, let's analyze this. What's the current value of letter B? Okay? At this stage. Okay? Now, the initial value of variable B is 1. Okay? That's the initial value. All right? Now, okay, this will be the output, no? Okay? This will be the output. Okay. Now, okay, now, what's the value of, oh, sorry, wait lang. This will be the output. B, all right. And this will be the output, right? Okay, the A there in starting from row 1 and column A will be the output, okay? Now, let's have this one, letter B. What's the value of B? Okay? What's the value of B? Okay, now, the initial value is 1. Okay? The initial value is 1. And then we increment it. And not we will be asking because there is a looping statement. Is 1 less than 20? Yes. If it's yes, let's have this 5 only so that we could manipulate it, and we could simulate it. Okay. Now, 1 is the value is 1 less than 5? Yes, the answer there is yes, right? So it will go to cells B1, cells which is 1, okay? Cells is 1 and 1 here, right? And then the output of that is number 1. Number 1, something like that. Okay? Now, after that, it will add, right? It will add with a 1, okay? It will increment it with a 1. Okay, now, what will be the value of letter B right now at this time? Okay, the value of that is 2 because it will be added 1. Okay, now, it will loop. Is 2 less than 5? Yes. If it's yes, then the answer to that is number 2, or the output. Okay? Now, it will add again. Okay? Now, what's the value? 3. It will add 3. Okay? Now, it will write number 3. Okay? Now, it will add number 4. Okay, it will add 1, number 4. This will be number 4. Okay, it will add number 5. Okay, wait, let's proceed. Let's analyze. Is B is 5 less than 5? Okay, is B less than 5? Let us see. Okay, let us see. If, what's the answer there, right? If this is less than 5, okay, the answer there is false, right? Okay, 5 is not less than 5, but this is equal to 5. Okay, now let us see. Okay, what will happen? Okay, now the answer there is 5. Okay, if it's false, it will end the statement. Okay, now let us try to see if this is correct. Let us just cut this one and paste it so that we will know what will be the answer. All right, now let's try to run this program. F5, what happened? Number 4. Yes, we are correct. We are correct. It's only printing number 1 to 4 only because 5 is not less than 5. But what if we will be writing there equal, less than or equal to 5? Let's try to run again. F5 on the keyboard. Okay, it will add number 5. Okay, So I hope you learned something. And then let's proceed with the what if, let's try to change this to, okay, now b as integer, b as equal to 1. How about do until? No, not, we will not be using do while, but do until. All right, b is greater than, but if greater than 5, okay, we will be using that one again also. Okay, let's try to see what happened, what will happen. Okay. Okay. It will write the same. How about 20? There you are. All right. See, you see the difference? Here, it will write until 20, no? Okay? So without using the ano, you without using the greater than or equal to, something like that. So it will write until 20. How about if until 10? Okay, the same thing. It will write. Okay, 10. What happened? Wait, let me delete this one and then run this one, F5. It will do number until number 10. Okay? So I hope you learned something on this particular lesson, do while loop. If you learned something, please do subscribe to my channel, like it. Okay, don't forget to share it and hit the notification bell also, so that every time I have tech videos and cooking videos and financial advising videos, you are always updated. Okay, again, this is Allan Burgos from #WalkWithLan saying goodbye and take care.